Iranian President Ibrahim Ra'isi said on Tuesday the U.S. presence in the eastern Euphrates in Syria is not justified, under any pretext, urging the Americans to leave the region. Ra'isi made the remarks at a joint press conference with his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin and Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan in Tehran, after a trilateral meeting on the situation in Syria. Putin said that the Syrian crisis must be resolved through dialogue among Syrian parties, and without external interference. Erdogan called for the acceleration of the political talks to help stabilize the Arab country.
All the three participating countries have special voices in resolving the Syria crisis, and this meeting helped them coordinate their different positions. Putin visited Iran only days after the first trip to the Middle East by US President Biden. Turkey is a NATO member, and Iran is a regional power. To host the meeting of the presidents of the two countries is widely seen as Russia's breakthrough under the West's isolation. Iran, deeply affected by US sanctions, has been highlighting the failure of Biden's Middle East trip while pursuing the benefits of developing ties with Russia, Turkey, and other countries, especially in the economic field.